guys, it is the day after sleeping in these traditional Japanese beds, and I got all ready. Oh, it was so comfortable. It actually really was. I'm all ready and I'm wearing this, what is it, a lip gloss that I got at a store here, and I love it so much. I'm gonna try on a piece of their traditional clothing. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. Dad, do you know how to put this on? Just like that? Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Here's our breakfast. Hemos tenido agua. Entonces me quedé dos. You guys, this is sopa de elote. Soup made out of corn. Aquí les encanta elote. They love corn. Yes. I mean, you remember that the buttered corn? What the heck? Tenemos que aprender cómo hacer sopa de elote. Dad, I think you will like this. Because you like cornbread. Check out my dad's breakfast and his little tool there for mixing. Look who made it. She was like, can I sit here? Of course. Want to give them a little rundown of what you got?
Oh, I got some yogurt.
Okay.
I don't think I was supposed to put that in there.
No, you were. I just don't think you'll like the yogurt because I didn't. Anyway, it's just like doesn't have sugar.
And then I got fruit.
Period. And your oranges.
Oh yeah, oranges.
This is such a mystical place.
¿Cómo?
Oh when we were at the mountain, me tocó este baño.
So you have to squat?
You have to go, but you have to go forward. So you
You're lying.
Yes.
You're lying.
I used it.
You have to like aim it.
No, you don't. You go like this and you put your hands there to help you like grip it. Use it. But for the one time. I used that.
I'm wearing white. If I stain myself,
You won't. Okay, go.
okay, ready? Oh my
Wait,
god.
show the bathroom.
I'm scared.
You have to do forward, not like normal toilet. I feel like it's good. It makes you like squat. Like, you know, practice that stability.
Okay.
That was cool.
Y después podemos jugar un juego. Lani, let's play a game. Miki's is gonna go, guys. Okay. Yeah, you got that one. Oh, you got two.
Oh, that's a. I got the 5.
You got
in the 8.
And the 8.
That is 13.
What the? Dad, look at it. Let me take a picture. Girl, vibe. Oh, hurry up. Wait, hold on.
That's so hard.
Smile? Or, I mean, however you're... It's more tacones.
Wait. That's
Oh.
This is fun. The mountain.
We found the
mountain
equipment to play badminton. OMG, how cute.
Honey, it's wacky.
He wants to see where we're from. That's so cute. Yes, of course. Corn is so good.
Va a aprender a hacer el monte full. Todo el mundo. ¿Tenemos color?
Bien hecho, muy bien. Gracias.
Bueno, familia, pues...
Oh my god. That is crazy. Guys, right now we're at the waterfalls.
All the way up there.
I feel like you're dropping camera. She doesn't have the strap up. I don't have the strap on. This is for noodles. Oh wow. These are all for noodles. Surfing in Japan.
300 yen.
Wait, is this cute?
I don't know.
It's a little too much. I think it's a little too much.
Actually, a lot of it outside.
Wait, it's like dark now. Sorry guys, we're having like technical difficulties. Why is this like that? Are you good, bro? Okay, there you go.
We're back.
Sorry. Basically, Lani almost finished it, but this is our famous ice cream, right?
Yeah. It's like made from the milk of the cows here. And I'm gonna finish it now.
Okay, go for it. Thanks for letting me know.
Tienen también típicos sándwiches, tienen unos para salados y dulces. Y hay uno, ¿qué opciones tienen de comida?
I'm thinking about getting this. They love their corn. Look at this. And I'm gonna try also a teriyaki burger.
No, I need the pancakes. Agarré uno para probar.
This looks like a Twinkie. I'm actually gonna get one of these guys. This is a cheeseburger. Let's look at their protein bar options. This one's literally sweet potato. I used their microwave to heat it up. I'm gonna try it. Okay, this is a cheeseburger. That's very good. What does this one look like? This is teriyaki.
I love like 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
I don't even feel like eating anything else.
Seriously.
People were like buying one thing. Like,
When did you become obsessed with Kit Kat?
during senior year when I got stressed out, the chocolate that I gravitated towards was Kit Kat. It's like my go-to for anything. This one actually it has like matcha.
Go. We're gonna try this protein bar, sweet potato protein bar. Japanese.
It's not focusing.
Oh. Inches. There you go.
It's just taking some photos.
Okay, this is Okay, normally these are like squishy. This is hard. You guys. It smells like Japanese food.
What's the expression on her face?
I just don't know what it tastes like.
Let me see.
Like, I don't know how to describe that. I taste raisin, but I don't really taste it. We're at an automobile museum, specifically for, well, all kinds of cars. I know. Está hermoso. That's my car right there. These are insane. This is like specifically though, I mean there's all types of cars, but Toyota is like the biggest thing here and it's a city in Japan. Chevrolet. Are you kidding me? Like, can you imagine strolling around with this car? I would have just loved this time for driving cars. I don't know when these were made. Let's see. 1922. School's here. Oh, supermarket. How do you say it? Supermarket. Okay, guys. I asked people here if they could direct us to the supermarket. Oh, wow. Están buenas. I just noticed people put stuff in their backpacks here when they go grocery shopping, which is why out in the street it's not common for you to see people. Oh, look it! Let's enjoy Mexican. Según, creo que son sus tacos. That's why you don't see people out with like bags that you would, like Trader Joe's bags, stuff like that, because they just put everything in their backpack. But this is really cool. They have their supermarket like in a mall. What's up, you guys? Okay, so this, I feel like I can find, this is like, I love being around my family so much, but there's only so much, like, I don't know, like I can't like be like this without like someone saying like, you good? But so we went to the supermarket. It was really cool. I think it's just so important and like special to see what other people are eating, just their what they're buying. Like I was like low-key like looking at everyone's shopping carts. I mentioned this earlier, but everyone was like stuffing their backpacks with like what they bought, and that actually really reminded me of college and made me feel good. Like, oh, people have to experience this too. Like I usually stuff my backpack with like fruit that I take from the dining hall. You get like an excessive amount of bananas and stuff, but I was craving like ramen. I feel like I need to have ramen in Japan. Like that just has to happen. So I ended up asking my parents like, hey, can I just like get ramen from a 7-Eleven and eat it in the room? And they're like, yeah, that's fine. So that's what I did. I'll show you guys what I got. So cool because they literally hand you like the chopsticks to go with the noodles. But okay, we got this stuff. This is more of like a fried situation, like fried noodles thing, but still I just like want to taste the noodles. As egg, milk, wheat, and shrimp. So I'm really excited about this. I just have to add water. And I'm really hoping that I will know how to work this water stuff. But yeah, Japan, I'm just gonna talk about, like, now that I'm alone, like, let me just like take my shoes off, relax, and talk with you guys because I have so much to say. Oh my gosh, they have these little like cute cups for tea. Like, that's just the smallest thing to show you guys. Like, the detail here is insane. The detail of everything. Everyone is so kind. Like, they really, being here, I've just like wanted to become a better person in every single way. Like, just being nice, being humble. Like, you can always be nicer, you know? And just everyone here is nice without expecting anything in return. Like, we were at the market, for instance, and people, we do not know how to figure, like, this paying situation was kind of crazy. So basically the lady was like bagging no, not even bagging, it was just like scanning the barcode for everything, and then there's different stations that you have to pay for everything yourself. And so like we did not know what we were doing because like we didn't understand what was on the screen. And the lady like heard us, we were like confused, and she was like, oh, like cash? And we're like, yeah, cash. And she helped us out. Like, she didn't have to do that, you know? English isn't their strongest language, so it's not what they're most comfortable with, but they'll make it work. And we like were struggling to find the supermarket, so I was like, hey, like to my parents, I told them like I would try asking like someone that works at like a cafe shop or something. And I went up to these two ladies, or these two young girls, and English wasn't something that they were familiar with, but they tried their hardest, and we eventually figured it out together. Like, they gave me the directions. I like just pulled up Google Maps and was like trying to spell out what they were saying. Yeah, like, people here are just so nice, and their discipline, girl. We were in, oh, my mom's calling.
Estamos en la tienda de como de Primark y estamos mirando que hay tantos skirts.
Oh.
Like, there's a lot. ¿Te quieres que te hagamos unas o what?
Yeah, si me puedes llevar like dos. Maybe a cream if there is.
Okay. Alright, bye.
Bye, I trust you.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
adios, bye.
Bye. Thank you for calling. She's so cute. They went to the stores to get more clothes. That we've gotten so many souvenirs and like clothes, but I'm so excited. Anyways, oh yeah, I was talking about, yeah, just like the people here, the culture. Also, like, we're traveling with this agency. It's like a Spanish agency. It's based in Spain, and there's a bunch of people from different Spanish speaking countries, and it's just been so amazing to hear everyone's different accents and their sayings and the way they express themselves. Like, I love being Latina. Like, we've been knew this, like, but there's just being able to speak and connect with people from different parts of the world in a language I truly love. Like, I love Spanish so much, and I want to expand my Spanish even more, or just like, I don't know, just different sayings. Also, I'm sure I will make a whole another video about, or like talk about some other time, but boys my age who can speak Spanish, and when they have an accent, It is something else. They are so amables. They're so kind, and like, this man was like talking to old people and then started talking to my mom, and like, I feel like the United States, the guys just aren't like that. They're not just like, I don't know. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to start making my soup, or this stuff. Yeah, okay, we're good. Okay, yes, hot water. I believe it goes. Oh my gosh. Also, the hotels are so teeny tiny, but they're beautiful. Okay, I think we are in action. Oh, it's turning off. My battery's gonna die. Okay guys, I was able to heat up the noodles, and then I poured out the water with this through this little opening, which is actually really cool. It has a little built-in drain. But I'm now gonna mix everything in, and I will check in with you guys once that's all done because my camera's about to die. All right, here it is. We're gonna give it a little taste test. Guys, I'm kind of scared that like the noodles aren't completely cooked, but let's try it out. Cooked perfectly and tastes amazing. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.